The handcar is faster and smoother than walking. Salvation. The Mediterranean is now within reach. But some won't make it. On his journey home, Fernando hits a roadblock, a mountain of rubble thrown up by the comet. The mountain isn't the only obstacle. Fernando is dehydrated and famished. He clings to a hope, finding his family on the other side. Instead, heartache. Fernando has reached ground zero. A lava field 125 miles across, a dead end, and the end of the road for Fernando. The sea is a desert. Supplies dwindling. Danger mounting. Only a few species have survived. The interruption of photosynthesis is devastating. Life will take lifetimes to recover. For another band, the sea means safety. The Mediterranean, refuge from the cold. But Henri and Michel still pine for a missing wife and mother.
Dad,
What is it, Michelle?
where are we going?
Why?
Just tell me.
Perpignan, Torres, Saint-Nazaire, maybe Angeles. I don't know. We'll see.
We're going to find Mom. I know we will.
In the Pacific, trouble's brewing.
Hey.
Hey.
Don't you think that's all just history now?
That's why I'm saving it, for the record.
You'll never make it. No chance.
But the seismic record may never make landfall.
We'll have to wait and see what happens. The weather's already changing. The wind is picking up. Just look up.
Winds are driven by really strong temperature gradients, and we can expect fantastic wind speeds associated with this really strong temperature gradient. Now, over the oceans, where there's nothing to block these winds as they get stronger, we can expect massive storms, about as strong as we might find in a tornado, except in the ocean regions, and we might have winds as strong as several hundred miles per hour blowing.
Along the shore of the Mediterranean, Henri and Michel's group pushes farther south, The climate gets warmer, but the trail colder. No place to call home. No sign either of other survivors, till now.
What should a person do in this kind of a situation where you're meeting a strange group for the first time in unfamiliar territories?
Anthropologist Stanley Ambrose studies social cooperation in the aftermath of natural disasters resulting in severe bottlenecks in population.
During difficult times in Earth history, human history, such as during the last ice age, especially the early part of the last ice age, when times were really tough, the best option for survival would have been to cooperate with your neighbors over long distances. And giving gifts to your neighbors was probably one of the best ways of ensuring your access to those territories that you might need to go to when the resources in your area failed. So to make a long story short, I think these very difficult environmental conditions was a strong natural selection pressure for cooperation.
There are a lot of crooks around here. Where are you from?
Paris.
There's another group that arrived last week. Come with us.
We're safe, honey.
Can't sleep.
I'm so tired.
Birds. Please land. We can't be far now.
哎呀，我们不想看了，已经有很多死人了。我们走吧，我们走吧。赶快找人来救。
At the foot of the Pyrenees, survivors have established a settlement, an oasis amid a wasteland. The climate is warm enough to start a home and start over. A lucky few will pick up where they left off. How far they've come, to the Pyrenees from Paris, a world away. has never faced doomsday, but the planet did. Its recovery is written in the rocks.
First event was in a largely tropical world. Canada, which is now cold and has deserts and has animals that survive freezing, was a tropical paradise. There was huge trees, there were dinosaurs roaming around Canada, and we have immense oil reserves to prove it. This time, what happens is after the event, after, of course, the 800-degree day, after the winter, there's many more environments that have spawned animals that should survive better. The life clock will start more quickly. It will start on a more active basis. That is, more animals will survive, and different kinds of animals will survive. Maybe even mammals will come out of their dens of hibernation, stretch, find food, and be able to live literally the first year out of the box.
1980, Mount St. Helens blows. An entire mountaintop slides away. 200 square miles extinct. Yet in months, nature begins to heal, far sooner than science predicted. Plants return. So do animals. They say hope springs eternal. So does life itself. Science can't forecast how life will progress, only that the life clock will keep ticking. In the course of evolution, one mammal has proved tenacious: man. The baka have come through. In their new home, they once more reach for the abundant life. Around the world, civilization rebuilds. For the new generation, the old world is as alien as another planet, a place they know only from their parents' tales. From the rubble, survivors have salvaged the most precious of heirlooms: knowledge. Many species will vanish, but new life will take their place. The planet will prove as resilient as its people, and a new generation will inherit the Earth.